Frosted Flakes. Pasta. Oh, I forget pasta.
Only two. You have a man, but him hardly check for you. You know, she say him not deserve you. Baby, try my love, girl. Won't you try my love? Try my love.
Welcome back to my channel. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell. So, them always say great minds think alike, right? I'm gonna put the screenshot of a comment that was left under one of my videos today, where someone said that they wanted me to list my favorite snack to you guys. And there it is on my listing right there. See there, number 5, my favorite snack. This is my book of video ideas. So, which I told you guys that I have a book of video ideas of videos that next. So this person commented under one of my previous video, the one that I did where I went out in my nightie to the supermarket. A lot of persons are saying that my nightie look like a dress. That's like my nightie. I love them type of nightie. Them I have more than one. Also, I did my makeup. I think I did a good job. I like it, you know.
Mommy, you did the best job.
I did a good job?
Yes.
Thank you. Alright guys, so as I said before in this video, I'm going to be listing a few of my favorite snacks. Be a pass my snack pan over this for give me. So guys, I have more than one favorite snack. I have a lot.
About to say.
But I'm going to list a few of the snacks that you should try if
Here you go, madam.
you want to hit this spot. So this is my little own snack pan. This one is in my room. I have one big one, like big one, which is in the kitchen, because that one is for the kids. Oh no, come out of my room. I don't want video. Excuse, please and thanks. Out. So I have a bigger snack pan, guys, but that snack pan contains other snack that I don't really like. So I don't really like. Okay, I'm like in my bed, like I'm about to go watch a movie right now, and I can just take up my my pan and just take out a snack and I'm gone. So my favorite snack change like every 2 months. Honestly, Aisha, I told you to come out. My favorite snack changes like every 2 months, and that's just the truth. It does. So at first, I did like cheesies one time. One time I loved cheesies. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to go throughout all of the video. But wait, give me a minute. I'm gonna do something. Crap. I am gonna do something for you guys. Let me write this down. So. Alright, so my favorite snack one time was cheesies. I loved cheesies. Bad. I really love cheesies. Like, I used to eat cheesies by the pack. Love the cheesies. And then after a while, I eat cheesies, like get gliding. So cheesies was no longer one of my favorite snacks. In fact, I don't eat cheesies now. Can you believe that? Something that I loved went from me loving it to me hating it. Me hate cheesies bad now. Seriously. After cheesies, me did start love Bigfoot. Oh no, Bigfoot. I love the Bigfoot next. Bigfoot was next. What was my other favorite snack after cheesies? Man, I know. Something about Bigfoot just did. Me love it. And for everybody that eats Bigfoot knows that you have the spicy and the original. At first it was the original because the original first did come out. But then I found the spicy. And I fell in love. After I find the spicy Bigfoot, me fall in love. God and Jesus know. Fall in love right through. From that, I just love Bigfoot. After Bigfoot, it was... What I love after Bigfoot? We snack. Me did start love after Bigfoot. Honestly, I don't really remember. But me did start like...
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Alright, I'm gonna show now what me like now. And I can't show you everything I like now because I don't really have all of them. But right now, I get like this. I don't know if you know this. I get like this. And this is one of my favorites right now. But I don't really like this one. This have two sides. You have one that have the two sides. It have the chocolate and this. And me recently fall in love with the chocolate one. I went to get them, but I couldn't get them. I only got these, so I just take them. But just take them. So I've thrown that in my snack pan. And then you have these. Wait, give me one. So this is now my new favorite. This is now my favorite. I love it, bad. I don't know why, but I love it. If you have tried this before, try it and tell me how it tastes. Oh my god. Okay, so it's not too soft. Sorry, mistake. It's not too sweet. Like, I don't know if it's only it tastes like, honestly. It just have this welcoming taste to it, you know? It just tastes really, really good. You just have to love it. In my snack pan right now, my personal snack pan, I have only this and that in there. Because as I say, I'm not a snack person, but I have a few snacks I like. I like cornflakes, specifically the Sunshine Frosted Flakes. Sunshine Frosted Flakes. I love it bad. That movie. What else? I like Sunshine Flakes. Power Star. Oh, I forget Power Star. Power Star. One of the best snacks ever created. I don't know who my Power Star, but thumbs up. You are a Power Star. Eh?
Superstar, yeah.
Power Star. Oh, some people know it as Superstar. How many come? You call it Superstar. Jelani, which other snack me love? Not that about you. Not that about actual snack.
I like banana cheese.
You like banana cheese?
Yeah.
Me not talk about you. Me talk about
I
myself.
like tigers.
Jelani like banana cheese.
You like tigers, don't
No, me
you?
like Power
tigers.
Star.
And tigers. Yeah, we eat like 4 or 5
Tigers is a substitute if me can't get Power Star. But yeah, Tigers very nice. I'm gonna eat Tigers if me can't find Power Star. Oh, Excelsior. The Excelsior cracker, me love it too.
Top crackers.
No, the
Green pack.
orange pack.
The cinnamon one.
No man.
Cheese crunchies are that.
Cheese
I
crunchies.
love cheese crunchies.
You love it too?
And if you tell them. boy, me and that man like it. The orange barbecue.
I'm gonna tell him something newly found this and I love it.
Yeah, I mean, you like it.
Daddy, we did book me yet from the wall.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, not from. I tell them to big snack pan in here so I can't show them every snack.
What's your baby?
Oh! Oreos! It's like the more I eat the biscuits, the more I remember what I love. Swear to God. What else I like, Jelani?
Is there a season going on?
I am praying. I'm going to tell you, every 2 months my favorite snack change.
Exactly.
Really, every 2 months. My favorite
One
snack
time I
change.
used to love the green pack crackers.
I'm going to eat it again.
Stressing on the left breast.
Alright, so I'll be some bye. Yeah.
Aisha?
Green pack biscuit.
Yeah, Aisha like it. That weird though.
Anyways, guys, that is it for this video. If there's any snack that you guys like, you can list it below. I'm gonna do a video about your favorite snack. So you can drop some comments, some snacks below that you guys would want to see me try on camera to see if I would like them. So y'all can do that. Alright? Thanks.
Outside and feel like I'm just like
This is my go-to drink. Go-to drink this of every other thing else. Why? Because it's not sweet, it's refreshing, and it's not fresh. So I like it because they have a little taste. It's not like water, and it's almost like water. You understand where I'm coming from? Yeah, so I kind of like it. Love it. More drink it. Cran water is my go-to. Yeah. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm out.